grumpy bird. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. He was too grumpy to eat, he was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm walking today, said Bird. Bird walked past Sheep. Good morning, Bird, said Sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said Bird. Nice, said Sheep. I'll keep you company. Bird walked past Rabbit. Hi there, Bird, said Rabbit. What are you doing? I'm walking, said Bird. It's no fun. I could use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hey, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped Bird. What does it look like? It looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Let me give you a hint, said Bird. You do it by placing one foot in front of the other. Walking, guessed Beaver. I love walking. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing? Shouted Bird. I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox. Let's go. Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg. The other animal stood on one leg. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. And they did. Boo-hoo, Bird. Bird and Raccoon were enjoying a game of catch when Bird got bonked on the head. Ouch, moaned Bird. That hurt a lot. He started to cry. Oh no, said Raccoon. I've wounded Bird. Here, I'll kiss it better. Raccoon kissed Bird's bonk. Bird kept crying. It still hurts. I'm sorry, said Raccoon. Let's see if Rabbit can help. Raccoon told Rabbit what happened. Poor Bird, said Rabbit. Would a hug help? Rabbit gave Bird a hug. Bird cried some more. It's not helping. Let's go find Beaver, said Rabbit. He'll know what to do. What you need is a cookie, said Beaver. You can fix any problem with a cookie. Beaver gave Bird a cookie. Bird cried louder. I think I'm getting dizzy. Let's ask Sheep what to do, said Beaver. She's fun and full of ideas. Oof. Beaver showed Bird's boo-boo to Sheep. How about a game of hide-and-seek, suggested Sheep. The animals ran and hid. You want me to hide? Wailed Bird. I can hardly walk. Surely Fox can make you feel better, said Sheep. He's clever. Falling apart at the end, oh shit. Bird got bonked on the head, Sheep told Fox. He's quite upset. What you need is a Band-Aid, said Fox. He disappeared into his den and came back. Band-Aids always make my boo-boos feel better. Fox put the Band-Aid on Bird's head. That's cute. Where is it? There we go. Yep, there. Yeah, that's cute. Yeah. Band-Aid isn't working. Boo-hoo-hoo, cried Bird. Boo-hoo-hoo, cried the Bird's friends together. Nothing is making Bird feel better. Bird looked at his friends. He felt his bonk. There. I think I'm okay now, he said, but his friends couldn't hear him. I said I'm all better now, shouted Bird. See? Bird stood on his head. You're so silly, Bird, said the animals. They laughed and stood on their heads, too. Come on, said Bird. Let's play catch. Bonk. There we go. Yeah. Merry Christmas. I hope it made some of you happy.